gonna bite my hand.
No, she won't. I
Yes,
promise.
she will.
Watch her run. If you go over there and go grab it, she's gonna run and go to the
Dad,
other
I
side.
can't.
Just slide the door open.
Dad, I can't. Dad, I can't. Steven, you do it, Steven, since you're tough guy.
Come on, Stevie. Go ahead. Show you're a man. Just open the door and take the food thing out. Just slide it up. Now you do it now because you scared him when he was going.
Wait, she looks like she's just about to lunge at me. Dad, you have gloves?
No, you don't need gloves.
Isn't there another way I can see if she has food left?
No.
Yeah, there is.
You got to give her water anyway. She's going to die. You want her to die?
But I can't. Oh, wait, this is a new shirt. Wait.
Coda. You
Dad!
don't.
Dad, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Stop it. Stop it. No.